Hello, here I'm making the video to show our 2 ton per day flake ice machine with a 1.2 ton ice room. The machine is above the ice beam. There is ice inside the ice beam. I will open the door. Hello Candy, how do you think about the ice?
This ice machine is good machine. It's super machine.
Good.
Look, this is the ice maker. It's good quality.
Thanks.
This factory is #1 in Kenya. This factory is #1.
Thank you.
And the people is good people. This from Africa now. Here to Africa. Yeah, I'm Alhaji Kanti. Alhaji Kanti.
Thank you for your nice comment.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
See? See the machine? Good machine.
Yeah.
Good factory.
Well frozen ice flakes with the perfect cooling performance. It's very convenient to use the system. Customers simply need to put the ice machine above the bin. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
This is one of our standard 2 ton per day flake ice machines. It can make 2 tons of ice flakes within every 24 hours from fresh water. This machine is equipped with the Copeland screw compressor, Eaton Accord condenser. It was the Eaton Refrigeration Jiangsu company. It's a very good quality condenser. Copeland screw compressor, R4 for refrigerant. Okay, now let's check the quality of the ice flakes out of this machine. The ice is very thick and dry. It's very dry. The water is well frozen. Perfect ice with very good cooling performance. Okay, this is all I want to show you about my standard 2 ton per day flake ice machine. You're welcome to send me the inquiries. And if you like my videos, you're welcome to subscribe to my YouTube space.